Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you about dictionary. So dictionary is again one data type of Python language, and as of now we have seen list, set and tuple, and now the fourth important data type present in Python language is dictionary. So what is dictionary? Let's take an example of a dictionary that is related to your daily life, we can say. You are student, right? So in your school, there is some information which is stored in your database of school, like your name, your email ID, your contact number, your parents' name, and lot of things, right? We can create some kind of information kind of dictionary, okay? So let's see. I'm just calling this dictionary as a student info, and let's create a dictionary. We have to use curly brackets. Then I have to give, let's say I'm giving first name, and the value of this is, let's say, some name, right? So let's say I am just giving some name Shubham, okay? Then I'm giving last name, and let's say anything like I'm giving the surname. Then we can say like email ID, and let's try some more thing like let's say age. Here we can give some kind of years. So I'm giving here like 15 years. Okay. So this is kind of dictionary I have created, and now I want to print this dictionary. So let's execute this program and see what will happen. Okay, the naming convention should be the exact, like if it is capital letter, then you have to give capital letter. So it is case sensitive. I am getting this dictionary. This is my first name, this is my last name, email ID, age, and lot of things. So you can create a dictionary to store a lot of information, and then you can just save it in your kind of information where you wanted to store. Now let's see some characteristic of dictionary. So first of all, dictionary is ordered, changeable. Next, it will not allow any duplicate values. Curly brackets, key and value pair. Now this is very important thing. Dictionary, we have to insert data in the form of key and value. Now what is key and what is value? I'll show you practically using coding part. Okay. So I'm just writing the this variable. Okay, dictionary 1, and now I'm going to explain you about the syntax part. So first of all, you have to start with curly brackets, okay? And in this, you have to give some key value pairs. Key, let's say I'm giving some string data type. So AA, this is my first string. And then you have to use this colon. And then you can give some value. Let's say I'm giving 1 value. Then you have to use comma. Again, I'm giving second string, this colon, and I'm giving some another value, okay? Then I'm giving third and some another value. That's it. So if I wanted to print now dictionary 1, then see how it will print my dictionary. So see, this is my dictionary. Okay. Now, what is this actual syntax? So if you see, this is my first element, this is my second element, and this is my third element. So our element will be in the form of key and value. The first part will be key and the second part will be value. And in this way you can add as many as elements you wanted to add. So the data is in the form of key value, and you have to use curly brackets, and this is the actual syntax of dictionary. And when you print, it will print you key and value pairs like this. So this is your dictionary. Now the second thing, the order in which you will write the elements, the same order will be followed here. So it means it is ordered. That was second characteristic. Third, it does not allow duplicate elements. Okay. So let's say I wanted to create one more dictionary. Okay. And I will give some duplicates. Let's say again the first one, and I'm giving some value, and let's see what will happen. So I got the output, but the duplicate element is not present here. Only 3 elements are there. This one is not present here. Why? Because it is duplicate. Now there is one question, how it is duplicate? The value is different, right? But the key is same. So you have to make sure that key should not be duplicate. else value can be duplicate. Okay, so if I am giving here, let's say I'm just try to create a new dictionary again, and let's say this is dictionary 3 and I'm going to print this dictionary, and see here I'm giving this element is different but the value is same as first one. So if you see, it will print 4 elements with value as 11. You have to make sure that key should not be duplicate but values can be duplicate. So this is how you can create a dictionary and how it is ordered, and how you can insert the values and what should not be duplicate and what should be duplicate. Now if I talk about data type, then you can give any data type for the values. So let's try one example. I'm taking this dictionary 4 and let's say my this value is some string format, okay? And let's run this. What will happen? It should not give any error because we have used some different data type, and yes, our dictionary got printed and this is our dictionary. So there is no any error, right? So you can give any data type for the values. Now let's move on to next thing. I wanted to print the type of dictionary 4. So what should it be? Okay, you will see the data type as dictionary. And similarly, there is one more function. If I wanted to print the size of this dictionary, what will happen? It should present the length of dictionary. There are 4 elements, that's why 4. 4 elements means 4 key and value pairs. So that's it.